Welcome guys to the trading recap of the 30th of June, I think. So I'm recording this a bit late, but yeah. So New York session opened off of this candle, and as you can see we didn't really fucking move until PM session, but coming right into it, yeah, this right here, here's the start of New York session. As we can see, pretty much nothing happened during the whole session. I actually took a trade. I made some profit, but not really that much. So to show you guys, oh damn, fuck, wait, let me delete all of this so you have a more clear view. Okay, so what happened was New York session opened, we took out London lows. We already like almost the same as Friday and Thursday, came back down into this 1 hour order block and this 4 hour order block. 4 hour fair value gap. On S&P we sweep London lows pre-market already, and we also came down into this order block and the 4 hour fair value gap, same as on NASDAQ. But here we also tapped equilibrium inside the fair value gap, which we didn't do here. And so my trade, damn, okay, my bias was long. I really wanted to take out these highs, which we eventually did, but yeah, I just look at this. So I have some things that we don't need here. So after we came down into the 4 hour fair value gap, I waited for a 5-minute break of structure. We got it right here. So I saw this time, I saw the 5-minute order block and waited until we tapped into it. This one doesn't count because the order block wasn't created there, because we need a break of structure in order for it to be an order block. So after seeing the order block, I waited until we tap into it, which we did right here. Quite late into the session, but we really didn't do anything even just in the normal session. So here we tapped into it and I waited for a break of structure or inverse fair value gap. We got both on this candle right here, broke structure from this high and we inversed this 1 minute gap. Yeah, I entered right here and it looked pretty promising at first. We came back up, we opened all the way up here, yeah, and then firstly we came back down into the 5-minute order block, which I didn't really think would be a problem, but as you can see guys, we just consolidated the whole time till about 5. This is Swiss time, so don't wonder guys. Then we had a little push, we came back down, and after that we had a pretty promising push. I had 3 contracts in this, and after we broke structure right here, I moved 1 contract to break even, so I would only be in with 2 contracts. So 1 contract got taken out right here, and because market was so slow and weird moving, I decided to shorten my take profit from the 1 hour highs to this 5-minute high, or maybe even a 15-minute, yeah, it's probably a 15-minute, yeah, to this 15-minute high. And I had 2 contracts on this. I moved my stop loss, I think I moved it about to this level after the big push. And yeah, I just looked at the charts through my phone a bit. I saw this nice 5-minute break of structure. I mean, here we didn't really have much. We didn't really push like here, as you can see. But it looked pretty promising. I even considered moving one of my take profits back up to this 1 hour liquidity, but my hopes and dreams got crushed. We inversed this 5-minute gap, almost came back down to break even, had a little push, and at this point I thought, okay, we just created a lower high, we are clearly bearish again, inverse this gap. So I was willing to just get out of the trade right here. I can show you guys on the 1 minute for a bit more insight. Yeah, I closed my trade right here for a profit of, oh shit, we can see it again. Yeah, a profit of about $30, or no, 25 it is. I know it's, I can remember, about $25. And yeah, also if I would have let it open my trade, if I wouldn't have closed it, right, this would happen. I would have gotten stopped out, and as I told you guys, we hit equilibrium and then had a big fucking push all the way up to London highs. Yeah, it's kind of sad to see exactly my trade play out, but after closing it, just because we didn't fully fill this fair value gap in. But yeah, nevertheless, it was a good, yeah, kind of a good trade. I made profit, so a win is a win. I learned something new today. Yeah, so right now in 45 minutes the new New York session opens, and hopefully I'm gonna get a win there. And yeah, see you guys, bye bye.